Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of space-saving wood furniture project ideas for creating beautiful home decor and income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. There is a quiet power in crafting something by hand, especially when that creation is both beautiful and useful. Among the most meaningful expressions of this power are space-saving wood projects, pieces that not only enhance the look of a home but also improve how we live in it. In today's world, where minimalism, functionality, and intentional living have taken center stage, space-saving designs hold a special place. They offer more than convenience. They tell a story about how we value our space, our time, and the objects we choose to surround ourselves with. For the woodworker, whether a passionate hobbyist or a seasoned artisan, these projects represent a deeper value in the act of making, the opportunity to solve real-life problems with creativity, and the chance to transform those solutions into sources of pride, income, and meaningful engagement. At their core, space-saving wood projects are about rethinking how we use our environments. As urban living becomes more compact and the need for multifunctional living increases, furniture and home accessories must rise to meet those challenges. Enter the folding tables, wall-mounted desks, underbed storage, nesting stools, compact shelving units, and convertible benches that make up the world of space-saving woodworking. These aren't just clever designs, they're solutions that empower people to live more comfortably in less space, without sacrificing style. For many, they're life-enhancing. For the maker, creating such projects involves both practical problem-solving and thoughtful design. It begins with observing how people live, how clutter builds up, how corners go unused, how traditional furniture sometimes overwhelms small rooms. From there, the woodworker must consider not just dimensions and joints, but flow and function. Where can something fold? Where can it hide? How can it serve more than one purpose? These are the questions that spark truly innovative work, and it's in answering them that woodworking becomes not just craft, but architecture in miniature. The beauty of these projects lies not only in their space-saving ability, but also in the simplicity of their forms. In many ways, designing for small spaces brings out the best in woodworking: clean lines, efficient use of material, and purposeful detail. Every joint must be strong but subtle, every curve intentional, every inch earned. This forces the woodworker to refine their skill, to respect the material, and to appreciate the elegance of restraint. In this pursuit, less truly becomes more. Space-saving wood projects also offer an incredible opportunity for creative expression. With limited space to work with, the challenge becomes one of making each element count, adding small embellishments, choosing unique finishes, or incorporating clever joinery that becomes both functional and decorative. A compact wall shelf can become a statement piece through the thoughtful use of contrast stains or layered textures. A small writing desk that folds into the wall becomes a marvel when designed with smooth hinges, hidden compartments, or magnetic closures. These details elevate the item from merely useful to genuinely beautiful, turning everyday function into a daily source of joy. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For woodworkers looking to generate income, space-saving designs are particularly attractive. They are practical, in demand, and often sell themselves by solving a problem that many people have: the need for more room in less space. As cities grow and living spaces shrink, more people are turning to modular, multifunctional furniture. A well-crafted Murphy bed, floating nightstand, or compact shoe rack isn't just nice to have, it's a necessity for many. By positioning themselves at the intersection of craftsmanship and modern living needs, woodworkers can tap into a vibrant and growing market. Moreover, these items tend to resonate with a specific type of buyer, one who values quality, intentionality, and aesthetics over mass-produced sameness. These buyers are often willing to pay more for something handmade, customizable, and sustainably sourced. They're looking for meaning in their purchases, and they're drawn to the idea that their furniture was made by someone with care and purpose. This creates room for deeper customer relationships, repeat business, and word-of-mouth growth. For the maker, that's not just good business. It's rewarding on a personal level, and that's perhaps where the deeper value of these projects truly resides. They are acts of care. Care for the material, selecting wood with beautiful grain, understanding its strengths, and honoring its character. Care for the craft, ensuring precision, durability, and detail. And care for the user, designing something that fits into their life, not as clutter, but as clarity. A folding desk is more than a slab of wood on hinges. It's a space for thought, for work, for creativity. A slide-out pantry built into a tight kitchen corner becomes an everyday luxury, a quiet improvement to someone's routine. These things matter. They shape how we live and how we feel in our own spaces. There's also something poetic about making more out of less. It speaks to a broader cultural shift, a movement away from excess, toward thoughtful consumption. Space-saving projects reflect values of sustainability, minimalism, and creativity. They challenge the idea that bigger is better and offer, instead, the idea that better is better. For the maker, this means each project becomes part of a larger conversation, one about living well with less and celebrating craftsmanship over convenience. In this context, woodworking becomes more than a skill. It becomes a philosophy. The act of shaping a compact storage unit or designing a modular table becomes a meditation on form and function. It becomes a dialogue with the space it's meant to inhabit. And in doing so, the woodworker is not just building furniture, they're creating a kind of harmony. A sense that everything has its place, and that even the smallest object can be made with great care and great purpose. For those pursuing this path as a livelihood, the journey can be as rich as the end results. There is satisfaction in seeing a design idea take shape in wood, in sanding it smooth, in applying a finish that brings the grain to life. There is pride in solving spatial problems with elegance and simplicity. And there is joy in knowing that something you made has improved someone's life in small but meaningful ways. Even more, there's a sense of legacy in these pieces. Unlike flat-packed furniture meant to be discarded after a few years, handcrafted space-saving projects are built to last. They carry the mark of the maker. They are functional heirlooms, practical pieces that become part of daily rituals. In a world increasingly filled with the disposable, these projects stand as quiet testimonies to durability, thoughtfulness, and human touch. So when we talk about space-saving wood projects, we're really talking about more than furniture. We're talking about a mindset, one that values design as service, craftsmanship as care, and living with intention. Whether the goal is to beautify a home or build a business, the deeper value lies in the making itself. In the choices, the time, the attention, and the belief that what we create can be both useful and meaningful. In a compact world, that's a grand ambition, and one well worth pursuing. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked space-saving wood furniture project ideas for creating beautiful home decor and income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.